Good day, viewers. A little quick update on my plant covering up. Right, and it was cold this morning, 34 degrees. When I came out at 11, I stayed in late. 38 degrees, I guess you'd call that. This morning it was pretty chilly out here. And it rained all night, it poured, and my plants were protected. Sometime during the night the wind came up and blew my tarp all off. I guess it was pretty well uncovered except for this side where I had enough rocks. I didn't have enough rocks over there. So I've got it recovered up and added more rocks and bricks and stuff, trying to get it all covered, because tonight they say it's actually going to get down to 22. I actually pull my trellis fittings up through the tarp, and as a result the plant is supporting some of the weight of the tarpaulin. But hopefully if the wind don't pick up, I'll get through the night and protect some of them. Anyway, just a little quick update. If you do this trick, put plenty of rocks around your tarpaulin. I'm a little bit disappointed with it. Winter came in like a lamb, and March came in like a lamb and going to go out like a lion. Well, it's not quite as bad right now. This morning it was really gusted. Y'all have a good day.